In the last video, I downloaded my email from Gmail as an MBOX backup file. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore that MBOX backup using a program called Thunderbird so that you can go through and find maybe an old email or an old file that was in one of your emails that you downloaded from the backup. On a normal basis, you're probably not downloading and deleting email from your email program like Gmail. You're probably not going through and deleting all those emails. You might, but you're probably not deleting those emails. This would be more like if you downloaded a backup, somehow lost your email account. Maybe you moved from one brokerage to another brokerage and you have a new email set up and you're no longer using that old Gmail account. You could take this backup, restore it, and find an older document. I know that's what I did. I moved brokerages one time early in my career as a realtor, and when I did, I downloaded all of my email, kept it as a backup, and you'll actually be able to see it in Thunderbird here in just a second. The program behind me is Thunderbird, or Mozilla Thunderbird. It's from the Mozilla Foundation, which is also the maker of Mozilla Firefox, a browser that you might like to use instead of, you don't want to use Chrome. Mozilla Firefox has a little bit better privacy functionality. If you ever want to download a copy of Thunderbird, this is where you get it at thunderbird.net. We're in my Thunderbird account. You can see these are my backed up messages from my previous brokerage about 4 years ago. I've only had to come in and look for email a couple of times from that, but I did have to. I did need to find a document, and it was in here. So for this video, I'm going to restore the backups that I made out of Gmail. And when I was doing those as a single transaction, as a single conversation around a particular transaction. I'm going to go to local folders. I'm going to come down to import export, and I'm going to import an MBOX file. I could import all the MBOX files in a single directory if I wanted to, but for this one, I just want to upload an individual MBOX file, mostly for speed purposes. If I were doing a big backup and a big restore, I would probably want to get all of that mail. But for this, just to show you how, I'm just going to restore one single MBOX file. Here are the conversations that I backed up. So let's get that one. Patterson McNeil. This is going to take a couple of minutes. If you look down at the bottom, you can see it restoring. And there we go. It's done. So let's click on, and that was the name of my folder, zclients-inactive Patterson McNeil. And you can see these are the emails that I sent in that particular transaction. I could go into one of them. Let's see. This one has a PDF attached to it, so the PDFs, any attachment that was attached to the file came with it also. All that's part of the restored data. Here's the PDF. Just open it right up, right out of the email program. And that's it. Now you know how to, from the last video, back up your Gmail data into an MBOX file format. And if you need to get that information back out, you know how to restore your MBOX data into Mozilla Thunderbird.